Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm Zeke, and welcome to the Dream Green Show. Ever since I was a kid, there was only a couple ways that someone like me knew how to make it out of the hood. That was to either be a rapper, go to college, get a good job, or go to the NBA, or go to the NFL. And since I can't rap, one of those options was immediately out of the picture. So I went on to go to college, and I eventually played some professional football. But after getting cut a couple of times, I'm talking about I got cut from the Dolphins, I got cut from Texans, boom, cut. Now that I made it out of the hood, I realized that throughout my entire years of going to school and college, they taught me nothing about financial education. So I had to teach myself if I wanted to live the life of the NFL player of having a whole bunch of money after I'm done working by doing absolutely nothing, I had to figure out ways to create passive income. So in this episode, I'm gonna show you guys how a pretty normal, average guy that knew absolutely nothing about finance growing up, that learned absolutely nothing about finance in classes growing up, how I was able to generate thousands of dollars every single month in passive income to where one day when I retire, I'm gonna have a very large cash flow to enjoy my life. So I'm gonna give you guys 6 different income streams that I currently have, making me over $8,000 a month. Woo! So you guys might wanna stick through the entire video for this one, guys. I ain't gonna BS in this episode. So through the very first way on how I create passive income, on how I kick-started this channel, is through dividend investing. Dividend investing is when you invest into a company like Apple. Apple has a dividend of, let's say, 1%. They're gonna pay you out 1% of each share every single quarter. Or there's other companies that pay you out dividends every single month, which was one of the focuses that I had on this channel of growing my dividend portfolio. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much I make from every income stream. And the first one I'm gonna show you guys is my dividend portfolio. So let's pull that up right quick. So here we are on my Robinhood portfolio. These are companies that I'm getting paid dividends in from this month. Let's start on January 4th from WMT and Pepsi. So that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 companies I'm gonna get paid in dividends this month from, totaling a total of what? $68.59. I'm gonna put that in my portfolio tracker right quick to show you guys exactly how much I'm making every single day from these investments. So from dividend investing alone, this is me investing into the stock market, investing into stocks that pays dividends to where I'm able to earn income every single month by literally doing absolutely nothing at all. This is the most passive income way that I have of all 6 of my income streams. This is the most passive way, is dividend investing. And what I do with my dividends, I reinvest them back into these companies so I can make even more dividends in the future. So I started off getting maybe 6-7 cents per month in dividends, but as I continue to reinvest into these companies and actually reinvest these dividends back into these companies, I'm gonna show you how it grown from 7 cents to $1, $10 a month, $20 a month, $40 a month, and now I'm at $68.59 a month in dividend passive income. So let me plug that in right quick and show you guys exactly how that's gonna play out. And then we're gonna go into passive income stream number 2. So let's plug that in right quick. All right, here we are on my passive income tracker. I usually type in every single dividend, but just to make this video short right here, let's just type in dividends right here. And then I got paid out a total of $68.59 this month. All right, so that's gonna add up to $68.59. If we scroll down right here, this is my total. That is me averaging, if I get paid out every single month, that is me collecting $834.51 a year in passive income in dividends, guys. That is me making 10 cents an hour for every hour that I'm alive on earth. That is me making 10 cents an hour. And every day that I'm alive on earth, that is me making $2.29 a day. If we're going to the work schedule, this is 1 cent a minute, 43 cents an hour, and $3.43 a day. So we're gonna go through all of my income streams right here on the side, and then we're gonna look at the total on how much I can make every year, minute, hour, and day that I'm alive. are work day, work hour, and work minutes. So that's how we're gonna divide this up, guys, so you guys can see exactly how much money I'm making, all right? So let's go into passive income stream number 2. It's right here, rental income. So as you guys already know, if you're a subscriber of this channel, I have purchased a house earlier this year. Me and my brother had purchased a house. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today, I'm gonna show you a simple trick to add value to your property. It is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. We have stainless steel, brand new appliances in here that we got. We went in as investors together. We got the house and now we're renting out this house, and we collect passive income from this house every single month by renting it out to some pretty nice, good renters that we got. It's always important to find some good renters so they don't mess up your house. And the tenants that we got in there right now are pretty sweet. They're pretty nice, and they're pretty much taking care of the house, so we don't have much to worry about. So me and my brother, we divide the profit. So every single month after we pay off the mortgage and all of the other expensive, I make around $233 every single month from renting out my rental property. So let's go ahead and plug that in. So here we are on the rental property. We're gonna type in $233. Bang, that's gonna bring our total to $301.59 this month alone, bringing my yearly income to $3,669.35 if I keep this up every single month. And that's around $10.05 every single day that I am alive. I am making $10.05. It's not a lot yet, but it's gonna add up. So let's go into income stream number 3. All right, YouTube, income way number 3 is through YouTube. Yes, a lot of people get passive income confused. Either you're gonna invest a lot of time into something in order to make passive income, or you're gonna invest a lot of money into something to make passive income. So with dividend investing in rental properties, you're investing a lot of money into that to pretty much get free, laid off passive income. But with YouTube, you're investing a bunch of time. In fact, the first 2 years, I think I made a total of $73. Yes, $73. Those first 2 years combined, I made $73 from doing YouTube. But now after I invested so much time into the YouTube platform, I finally figured out the algorithm. Hey, hit the thumbs up button. And I've been putting out consistent content, which generates me a little form of active passive income to where I'm able to make a couple of $1,000s every single month. So let's pull up the YouTube studio so I can show you guys exactly how much I make. All right, guys, here we are on YouTube. My estimated revenue for this month over the last 28 days is now $4,296.38. That is amazing. I put out a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I put out a total of 19 videos over the last 28 days. And that it takes a lot of time, and these videos that I put out is going to make me money for the next year or so. But as long as the content that I'm putting out is staying relevant, this should continue to make me money for at least the next year or so, right? So this is $4,296.38. Let's put that into our tracker right quick. Let me write that down. All right, so here we are on the tracker. We're gonna type in, bang, right there, $4,296.38. That's gonna bring my totals to $4,597.97. That is a yearly income of $55,941. Every minute I'm alive, I'm making 11 cents. Every hour I'm alive, I'm making $6.39. And every day that I'm alive, I'm making $153.27. But if I had a job and had a work day, this is equivalent to $28 per hour if we want to relate that to a job. So right now, my income stream is around $28 per hour if this was my full-time job, if it was a full-time job. So let's move on to income stream number 4, which is cryptocurrency. All right, guys, so if you guys know, I am a firm believer in cryptocurrency. I do own some Bitcoin. Not that much Bitcoin, but I put some of my Bitcoin over into BlockFi. Let's go over to BlockFi right quick. All right, so I put around $2,800 worth of Bitcoin in BlockFi over here, and $2,400 worth of Ethereum, which is another form of cryptocurrency. I put it over here in BlockFi, and I collect interest every single month from just depositing my coins into this account, which is backed by Gemini. I received an interest payment of last month of $23.78. So as long as I continue to hold some of my Bitcoin inside of this platform right here, I'm gonna get paid out interest every single month just from holding inside that platform, up to, I think it's around 8% right now, which is insane that I'm receiving 8% from this company right here, BlockFi. So let's go ahead and plug in the $23.78. We're gonna type in 23.78. And watch it increase right here from 55. Every little penny matter, guys. Watch it increase right here from 55,000. Bam, right there from 55,000 to $56, just from adding $23.78 every single month into our passive income stream. So let's move on to one of the controversial that I'm going to talk to you guys about. This one of the controversial ones. My income streams is through sponsorship ads. All right, so as you guys know, if you're on YouTube watching this video, I'm pretty sure that you have watched plenty of other YouTube videos that they have actual sponsorship ads, where they sponsor other VPNs or they sponsor other cryptocurrencies and things like that. Well, I am not a fan of making all of these sponsorship ads, but I did have to test the waters. But I did a couple of sponsorship ads a couple months ago. I can't say exactly when or how or which ones, because I can't discuss about how much money I made or how many I made. But from doing those sponsorship ads, I made around $1,000 just from posting 45-second sponsorship ads at the beginning or the end of these videos, right? So I didn't do many, did like less than 5, way less than 5. All right, guys, I didn't do many, but I made about $1,000 from sponsorship ads. But I'm not a fan of sponsorship ads. So what I did to keep these sponsorship ads off of my videos was I created a Patreon, guys. Yes, I made a Patreon. So if you guys want to go to my Patreon, I'm gonna leave that link down below. If you sign up for the Patreon, you get access to my Discord. You get access to when I buy and sell different stocks inside my portfolio. You get access to my full portfolio. I'm gonna send out great information over there in the Discord, great information over there on the Patreon. You're gonna have access to 5% off merchandise like this right here. I'm making money right now, guys. I'm making money right now. Dividends are dope, and I have another dividends are dope t-shirt, so you guys will get 5% off of that if you guys want to sign up for Patreon. The Patreon will help keep sponsorship ads off of my videos, because honestly, if I really want to do sponsorship ads, I can make around $6,000 a month in sponsorship ads. But I know you guys don't want to see that, and the reason I'm doing YouTube is because of you great subscribers out there, so I don't want to flood my page with sponsorship ads. So I'd rather do a Patreon so I can have consistent income in order to give you guys better content every single month. And actually, you're gonna have the chance to make a ton of money from my Patreon that I'm gonna talk about on my last income stream that's gonna benefit you guys the most. So if you want to try out my Patreon, click the link down below. Go over there, sign up. The Discord is gonna be popping. The Discord gonna be popping. You're gonna have access to my full portfolio when I buy and sell certain stocks, when I put in these option trades that generate me passive income every single month. So it's gonna be a fun time over there, guys. So make sure you go down and check that out right now. So let's go back over. Here we are. Let's type in $1,000 because I just got paid out this month from doing those sponsorship ads a couple months ago. I'm gonna hit enter, and right now I'm at $5,621.75. So that brings my yearly income to $68,000. Every day I'm alive, I make $187 a day, and equivalent to a work day, this is $35 an hour. So let's go over to the last one, affiliate marketing. Okay, guys, affiliate marketing is a big one. When I talk about Amazon links below, when you go over to Amazon and sign up for Amazon, I get a little change for every time that you guys buy something from Amazon. I might get $1 if you buy a $100 purchase. So it's not really that big, but all of these affiliate links add up, from Robinhood, from Webull, from Track Your Dividends, all of these little affiliate links that I have usually down below in my videos, from Coinbase, they all add up, guys. So I've been making a killing from affiliate marketing by putting out great content and only promoting platforms that I believe in and platforms that I actually use. I would not put a link down there just to make money if I don't believe in that platform. So these platforms are pretty good. Like when I talk about Webull and getting your 4 free stocks, that is an amazing deal. getting 4 free stocks just by depositing $100, that is an amazing deal. It's been making me a lot of money so far. So you'll be amazed of how much money I've made from affiliate marketing, guys. So let's go and put in this number so I can show you guys exactly how crazy that is. And I'm gonna tell you how you can make money from me through affiliate marketing just from signing up for my Patreon. It is a special going on right now. But let's just dive into it right quick and show you guys. All right, guys, so here we are on the last one, the affiliate marketing, from people signing up from Coinbase, Acorns, Robinhood, Webull, Track Your Dividends, Amazon, all kinds of affiliate links that I support and use. I've made a total of, I got over 300, 400, 500 people to sign up on these different platforms, but I made over 4704.36. I made $4,704 this month alone in affiliate marketing. So let's hit. That is, wow. That is $10,326 from this month alone of total passive income, which is $125,000. Oh my God, I gotta tell my mama. This is $125,000. $344 a day, are the equivalent of $64 an hour if I was working a job. That is insane, guys. Hold on. That is insane. So as you guys can see, my affiliate marketing is doing an amazing job. $64 an hour. Every day I'm alive, I'm making $344. And if I keep this up, I'll make over 6 figures this year. And I'm giving you guys the opportunity, if you sign up for my Patreon, one of my Patreons every single month is gonna have the opportunity to leave their Webull link or their Robinhood link underneath one of my videos forever, for life. It's just gonna stay under there forever. If you're a Patreon member right now, one of the early ones that sign up and get in, let's say only 2 of you guys sign up. Well, you have a 50-50 chance of leaving your link under one of my videos. And as you guys can see, it is proven that my affiliate links work, and you're gonna make money just from joining my Patreon. Not only through your affiliates links, but you're gonna get some very educational tips inside of my Patreon, especially when I'm buying and selling different stocks, especially when I'm doing the wheel strategy. If you keep up with some of these strategies, these are other ways that you could create passive income, and the easiest way to keep up with that is through the Patreon. But you can create a lifetime opportunity by joining the Patreon and leaving your affiliate link under one of my videos for life, and that could be a game changer for you guys. So those are the 6 ways that I create passive income that generates me over $10,000 every single month in passive income. Some of it is active income, some of it is completely passive income. Either you're putting in a lot of time to create some passive income, or you putting in a lot of money to create some passive income. But either one of them is amazing. So I'm finally living out the dreams as a professional athlete, that I'm going to be able to have some consistent income come to my bank account no matter what I do. So if you guys have 1 job, 2 jobs, 3 jobs, go down to the comment section and let me know how many sources of income do you have down in the comment section. If it's just 1, put 1. If you have 12 sources of income, put 12 sources of income. You don't have to say how much you make. You ain't got to showboat. I know a lot of people don't make a lot, and I know a lot of people make way more than I do. But just go down and let me know how many sources of income do you make down in the comment section. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.